Hey man.
Hey, so what do you want to do after all of this?
Dude, I don't even know. Why? What about you?
I mean, to be honest, I want to be a chemist so freaking bad. Create new things that we have never had.
I wanna be on the cover of Discover magazines, smiling with the 26 muscles in my cheeks.
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
What you see? What you see?
I see some floating fireflies.
Oh yeah, yeah, luminescence makes them glow. Oh,
I swear the world better prepare for when my work gets up there.
yeah, I could show them how the moles start filling up the hole.
Or teach them about inventions like polythene, sunscreens, and penicillin.
I'd probably pull a narrow star and prove everyone wrong. For getting famous won't take that long.
Oh, get it? And don't forget about me. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own theme music.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Put on your seatbelt, you heathen.
I'm trying.
Gosh. I mean, really though, I really want to be a chemist.
Dude, same! Now that you're putting like all of this in perspective, like I want to be like Marie Curie. She invented rhenium and polonium, and she got 2 Nobel Peace Prizes in chemistry. Like, what
I
the
know.
heck?
And like Dimitri, oh my gosh, he invented the periodic table. We use that every
I
day.
know. Although
Oh
he
my
was
gosh.
kind of wrong though, because he used it as
But
increasing
yeah,
the
but I
atom's
mean,
mass.
he's the one that like first found it out. Like
That's true.
crazy. I want to be that smart. I want to do something that cool.
Same. Or like how Avogadro, he like created the famous number, and now we know how many moles there are.
Yeah.
Right. What's a mole again?
Of salt?
Yeah. What's
a
a
mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
But it's not actually a lot. Like, this is way more than a mole of salt. If we had a mole of water, it would be enough to see, but not enough to, like...
Wow. Imagine if we had, like, a mole of, like, donuts.
Oh my
That would
gosh.
probably reach the
That
moon.
would be great.
Right?
So, what types of chemical reactions are there? I mean, I should know this since I'm going to be a chemist, so help me out.
I'm glad you asked, because I kind of know a little bit about this.
Oh, really?
There's a synthesis reaction, where it's 2 or more elements, they get together and they form a compound.
Oh, so, like, dating?
Yeah, basically. They're like, hey, element, you over there, I like you. And the other element's like, hey, I like you too. One form a compound, and then they form a compound. But it gets twisted after that.
Oh, great.
Disposition reaction happens, where they're like, hey, look, I think we should see other people, you know, it's not working out. Deuces.
So, they're gonna split?
Yeah, the elements split.
No. Poor guys. It's like Jack and Rose off of Titanic.
Yeah, but
Except one of them dies.
it gets messed up after that though. Then there's the single replacement reaction where, you know, they're like dancing, like the 2 elements, they're like dancing, having a good time, but then that one element spots another element and she's like, ooh, wow, look at that element, I want to go with him, and they end up splitting up, and then the other element is all sad. He's by himself.
What? So you're telling me that she's a gold digger and basically she's just gonna go with the better looking, richer, the cooler guy.
Yeah. You know.
Wow, people are messed up.
I know. But, I guess it kind of goes better after that, in a way. Because then the double replacement reaction. Then there's, So that's when 2 couples, or 2 compounds are together. But one of the compounds looks at the other compound and is like, hey, I would rather have that compound than my element than that element.
So basically he wants the girl element
from the other couple.
and the other guy that is with that girl that this guy likes.
Mhm.
He wants the girl.
So they switch partners, and they form different compounds.
That's not cool. That's a lesson on double dating. Don't do it.
Well, yeah, don't do it, because then your element might fall for another one, and then y'all might switch. But at least y'all live happily ever after. I mean, yeah.
They
But
should have
then,
never went to that dance.
I know. But then there's the combustion reaction, where it's like the compounds and the elements, and they're all like WW or whatever, and then boom, explosion.
What?
Yeah. So those compounds, or the compounds and elements, they form CO2, which is carbon dioxide, and then they form H2O, which is water.
So they just crash and burn.
Yeah, basically.
So
They
the
go boom.
relationship is now over.
But whenever they form carbon dioxide and water, they also have heat and light, which that's what causes the...
I mean, obviously, it's
Explosion.
kind of fire.
Yeah. But, I mean, just, letting you know.
Yeah, well, thanks, because, I kind of want to be a chemist so freaking bad.